Hey cruisers! Amanda here, reporting to you for Cruise News with Larry. Welcome back. If you've been dreaming of setting sail, now is the perfect time to book your next vacation. Cruise lines across the board are rolling out some explosive 4th of July deals, and they're hotter than a summer barbecue. Let's dive into some of what's being offered. Top cruise brands like Norwegian Cruise Line, Holland America, Carnival, Royal Caribbean, MSC Cruises, and Princess are offering holiday savings that could make your next adventure more affordable than ever. Booking for just $1? Yep, you heard that right. Several cruise lines, including Princess Cruises, are letting you lock in your vacation with deposits as low as $1. That means you can secure your cabin now and pay later. Many lines are packing in the value with free drink packages, complimentary Wi-Fi, and even prepaid gratuities. For example, Norwegian is running its Freedom Sale with up to $1,000 off cruises and perks like open bar, specialty dining, Wi-Fi, and shore excursion credits. Celebrity Cruises is offering up to 75% off your second guest and up to $400 in savings for select voyages. Carnival's Stars, Stripes, Sun and Savings event is offering up to $100 in onboard credit, reduced deposits, and big discounts, up to 40% off on select sailings. That extra cash can go toward excursions, souvenirs, or drinks by the pool. Sailing with the whole crew. MSC Cruises is offering free or reduced fares for kids, plus included drink and Wi-Fi packages. Great value for families ready to make some memories. These promotions are only available for a limited time. Some expire right after the holiday weekend, so if you're looking to cruise in 2025 or even early 2026, now's the time to book. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or looking to set sail for the first time, these Independence Day deals are your ticket to an unforgettable getaway. Hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise updates, and let me know in the comments. Also, for your convenience, you will find a complete printed copy of the script below for your reference. Highlight and print if you want a hard copy. This has been Cruise News with Larry, keeping you afloat with all the latest from the world of cruising. Until next time, smooth sailing, my friends.